Hi, this is Lisa from the Northwest Room at the Everett Public Library, and today I want to show you how to use the City of Everett's Digital Records Center to look up information about a property. You're going to go to their website, everettwa.gov. Then you're going to go up to the menu bar up here and go to Your City, Records and Data, and then scroll down a bit to Digital Records Center and click Link to Page. And then in the bottom right under Real Property Information, you have a couple options. There's the interactive maps and address search. So usually when people come into the Northwest Room, they're looking for a specific property, so the address search is the most useful for that purpose. The interactive maps are kind of neat because you can go by neighborhood and look at the different structures as a whole within a map view and find out different information about them. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to do address search. So go ahead and in here you're going to put the number of the building. And I picked an apartment building on Colby. And you hit submit. Now for something like an apartment building, you might have more documents than you would see for a single family residence or a newer commercial structure. With a building that's a little bit older, that has multiple documents like this, I usually go for the largest number of pages. That's usually where your oldest records are going to be. These were all microfiche cards that were digitized from the Public Works Department. You used to have to go down to Cedar Street to have them pull the card and you'd look at it in a microfiche reader, but now you can actually do this from the comfort of your own home. This is pretty well zoomed in, so we can just leave it like this. The first thing that you're going to wind up seeing are records related to the water hookup for your structure. So we usually use that as a fairly faithful almost birth date for your building, indicating that it's now fit for human occupation. So when you look down and find the date, that's going to help you date how old your building is. What we found over the years is the information that's provided by the county assessors is usually more of an estimate. So don't be surprised if you see that this number is 5 to 10 years different from what you've been told by the county or but what you're seeing on the county assessors websites. They just didn't have access to this documentation, so they kind of made their best estimate. So here you see that apartment building had its water hookup on May 19th, 1908. Everett Railway Light and Water Company was providing that service, and you have an owner name here of, it looks like J.E. Bell. Now, if we had access to the Northwest Room, we could look in the Polk City directories to see more about Mr. Bell or Ms. Bell, never know, what their situation was, where they lived and things like that. There's other tools that we could use to track more information about them. But for the time being, this is something that you can access from the convenience of your own home to find out more about specific properties. So hopefully this helps you. And if you have any questions about any of this information or you want to dig a little bit deeper, please do feel free to get in touch with me, libnw@everettwa.gov. Take care.